Ever feel like your brain could use a little boost? Well, you're in luck because I've got some quick and easy tips to help you supercharge your brain in just 5 minutes. First up, let's talk about hydration. Did you know that staying hydrated is crucial for optimal brain function? Grab a glass of water and give your brain the H2O it needs to stay sharp. Next, let's get moving. Physical exercise isn't just good for your body, it's great for your brain too. Take a brisk walk, do some jumping jacks, or even just stretch for a few minutes to get that blood flowing and boost your cognitive function. Now, let's feed our brain with some brain-boosting foods. Reach for some blueberries, nuts, or dark chocolate to give your brain a tasty and nutritious treat. These foods are packed with antioxidants and nutrients that can help improve your memory and focus. Speaking of focus, let's practice some mindfulness. Take a few minutes to meditate or simply focus on your breathing. Clearing your mind and reducing stress can do wonders for your brain power. Lastly, challenge your brain with a quick puzzle or brain teaser. Whether it's a crossword, Sudoku, or a riddle, engaging your brain in a little mental exercise can help improve your cognitive skills and keep your mind sharp. So there you have it. In just 5 minutes, you can give your brain the boost it needs to function at its best. Stay hydrated, get moving, eat brain-boosting foods, practice mindfulness, and challenge your brain with a puzzle. Your brain will thank you for it.